Hello, my name is Michael Katagaya, team leader and co-founder of Evidence and Methods Lab, a civic tech initiative based here in Kampala, Uganda. And what EML does is that we simplify, visualize, and share information with the public. And this is within the transparency, accountability, and social justice program areas. And our aim is that if this information would promote awareness and be able to promote action, either on behalf of high-level stakeholders or on behalf of citizens, depending on the subject that we are dealing with. Our work on social justice is around simplifying information on land justice and as well as family justice. We started in 2016, and the motivation was that I had worked quite some time in the civic space. I had worked in the NGOs for some time, and as well as government. And as a monitoring and evaluation expert, part of my work was creating data for the organization to consume, but also for the public. But with time, I realized that many organizations have a lot of evidence, a lot of information that does not get to people, because after you publish a report or after policy is made and placed on a website or in a booklet somewhere, it becomes very difficult for people to reach out for that information. So we started Evidence and Methods Lab to make sure that information is easily accessible for high-level stakeholders and as well as citizens. We had the opportunity to work with HiiL. It's one of the organizations that we had the opportunity to work with, just like many other organizations, either in social justice or in the accountability and transparency space. And with HiiL, what we did was to create a digital version of what they were working on then, the family justice catalogue. So we turned a text-heavy and very hard to read version of the family justice catalogue into a user-friendly, visualized version that is really simplified for either an ordinary citizen to utilize, or for a high-level stakeholder, or for a duty bearer of some sort to be able to utilize to do their work. Yeah. And we've also worked with a number of other organizations, including civil society here in Uganda. For example, we've worked with LandNet to visualize inheritance laws for the public. We've worked with Avocat San Francois, ASF, to also visualize content on land justice for their frontline workers upcountry in the oil region of Uganda. We have also worked with organizations like Oxfam, currently working with Oxfam, which are supporting our work on popularizing programs that target young people, youth, to be able to benefit from them, so that the social there are some people who do not benefit from these programs because they have no information about them. So we open them up. We are working with Ford Foundation, popularize the national budget, and also outside of Uganda, we've worked with the Open Society Initiative for West Africa to still simplify information for their duty bearers as well as the general public. Thank you. You can check us out if you would like to partner with us or work with us in some way. You could work with us. You could reach us on our website www.evidenceandmethodslab.org. Thank you.